miserable rainy day.
What should we do today? I don't know. What do you want to do?
I don't know. What do you want to do?
Look, Flaps, first I say what we're gonna do. Then you say, I don't know, what do you want to do? Then I say what we're gonna do, you say what you want to do, what we're gonna do, what you want. Let's do something.
Okay. What do you want to do?
Hey, you there. Yeah, you, sitting on the sofa about to waste another weekend. Well, I've got just the solution for you.
Yeah.
Whether it's sunny, like today, or raining, Activity Board has just the thing for you. Rekindle an old skill, learn a new one, or just reconnect with nature. You can get yours today for just $9.99.
All right. Let's go.
Okay, let's face it. It can be really hard to decide what to do sometimes, especially when it's crap outside. But it's already March. It was January literally 3 seconds ago, and I can't think of one substantial thing that I've done in the last 3 months, which is scary. It's really scary. So sometimes you just gotta decide, I'm gonna make a memory today. Back to the how to decide what to do part.
Only one way to decide this activity. Random activity roulette board.
What are you going to use to find out?
Well, I've got notoriously bad aim, so this seems like a logical solution.
Can you see?
Yeah.
What? You meant to say no.
No, I can't see. I can't see. Hey, I actually can't see. I was joking. Okay, this way?
No way.
Right here?
Ah, no.
You obviously put me in the right place, dumbass.
Right.
What?
Okay, walk. Stop. Turn. Stop.
This is actually going to be hard.
Okay, you got this.
Okay, you just throw it. You ready?
Wait, you need to go. Keep your arm there. Right. Right. There.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, you went high. This might be a long video.
Is that close?
I think you missed again, but I think it went a bit left. Do you want to take the blindfold off and just step a bit further away?
Yeah.
Take that. Put that back in. Oh!
Oh, that's the most lame one!
We're going to hike up a big, massive mountain.
I'm going to get a sunset today, but the dart says what the dart says. That's what we're doing today. Okay.
How do you feel about that?
Well, at least we've got a few hours to wait until the rain stops. Or we go somewhere that takes us a few hours to hike. Which one should we do? Are we going to Penny Fan?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, Penny Fan it is. Let's get ready.
Well, now we're going hiking. That's a good job. I'm basically always wearing hiking gear, isn't it? Let's go!
That's when I saw something that made me question everything. Ketchup on a bacon sandwich? There's only one sauce acceptable on a bacon sandwich, and that is brown sauce, and I will hear no more about it.
Okay, let's make this interesting. Because this would be a pretty boring video if we just hiked up the hill and hiked back down again. So, Ian, how long to the minute do you think it's going to take us to get to the top? Just so you know.
To the top? Or
top.
all the way? Okay, just to the top. 1 hour and 45 to the top.
The loser has to jump in the lake when we finish. And we're hoping to be at the top for sunset, so when we get down it's going to be dark and miserable and we're both going to be cold. This is a big forfeit. Okay, I think we're going to get to the top in 1 hour 20 minutes. I think we're going to be super speedy.
I went the opposite way.
So You see me off in a marsh, you see Ian dragging his heels down.
No, we won't drag any heels, we'll just go at like normal pace.
You're gonna get wet, boy! You're getting saggy!
I don't mind, I like cold water swimming.
Oh, right, okay.
What?
He hates it. I don't mind it, but I don't think I'll want to get in the water after we've done a hike. Good thing we're not trying to test how long it is for us to get there.
Drive there, yeah.
There's our little lake for the loser. We're gonna have a great time.
What the heck? Not me.
I renamed this Ian Lake.
I was gonna call it the Heather Lake. You ready to go? Cooper looks like he's
You're ready.
not ready.
Cooper, you ready?
You
ready, buddy? How about you, Rose? Yes, you're always ready, aren't you?
I'm ready. Those poor bastards just come down off the hill and they're absolutely drenched from head to toe. And then there's us just about to start.
This is meant to be an inspirational video. We're meant to be like, hey guys, look how much fun it is when you go outside.
And do something new.
I don't want to get out of the car.
You.
Go crazy! It's time. Ian,
Okay.
start the clock.
It's 2:35, just in case the timer stops. Stopwatch. Ready?
Go, 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 go! Come on, Ian. 1 hour and 20 minutes to the top. Let's go! Hey, Ian.
Hello.
What did the hills say to the mountain when they got tired? Let's Everest then.
Oh, let's Everest. Horrible.
Hey! Right. What's your mountain joke then?
Old mountain goat climbed up a mountain on his own.
What?
Billy no mates.
You like that? I like that one. I like that one.
Made it up. Hey, you're right. Alright, not too bad, are you? Not bad, thank you.
That's like second or third person we've met out hiking in the pissing down rain by themselves.
Yeah. Maybe this isn't such a unique thing.
Yeah, but that's good though.
Heck yeah.
Those people who's kind of looked out the window and seen, it's not an ideal day, but I know I'll be happy with myself if I get outside and move
I'm gonna go get it.
and take a chance on maybe some scenery, maybe not. Hey Ian, why are these mountains so funny? Why, Heather? Because they're hill areas. No, Heather, that one was actually painful. What is with these crap jokes anyway? Have you been Googling mountain jokes? Well, I was watching this video and it says people will only subscribe if you're funny, so I looked up some jokes. Well, it was nice being married to you, but the Welsh dragon won't allow behaviour like that around these parts. Ah! Subscribe!
Alright, we're pretty much at the top. They've just come up the last little bit and you can see this big overhanging like wave cliff. And it looked awesome. Imagine on a clear day. Well, I say I imagine. I've been up here before, but on a clear day it's awesome. What? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this is the top. Now, we can keep going if you want.
I was feeling extremely confident about my bet with Ian until this moment. We had reached a false summit when I thought we had reached the top, and time was nearly out.
So we weren't there. That was Corndu, which is the ridge just before. We got to do one more ridge over, which actually isn't too far, so I think Heather's still in the running.
What's the time check, Dad?
Time check is... Oh no.
Oh, we know it's
2:35, something like that.
yeah.
So that's an hour and 8, I guess. So It was 2:35. It's now 15:55.
Oh,
So what does that put us at?
2:35. That's 1 hour 20.
55.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. That's an hour 20. What time do we have until we hit like the cut-off
So-
point between us?
12 minutes.
Oh, and I'm pretty sure it is just there. Like, if there was no flag, you'd be able to see it.
Oh no. Quick.
No running. We said
No
normal
running.
pace walking.
No running, but we can trick it to pace a little bit.
No way.
It's a straight point. What's the time, Yai?
No way, that's only.
No! I can't even run because we said normal pace. Oh my god. This is agony.
Speeding up slightly.
No, I'm not.
Give it a break. Actually, let's put that camera down and get a quick video.
No! No way!
You actually put the camera like on the trick point to get a video of us getting there. So you have to run there and then run back to meet you.
Okay. Ah! Go! Ah, cramp! Keep going! Keep going! Da, 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 da. Woo!
What do you think you've done?
What time is it?
How do you think you've done?
I think it's like 4:05.
It is 16:02.
Oh my god, I'm in! I won!
Are you sure? Are you sure?
Yes, I'm positive.
We started at
I'm the winner!
2:35.
Yeah,
So 2:35 to, what was it, 14:02?
yeah.
So that means that's an extra 25, so that's an hour 25, hour 27.
Yeah. We had until an hour 32.
Are you sure?
Yeah, because you said 45. I said 20. Halfway between that is 12.
You're right.
Get it!
I'm gonna get cold, they don't like me cold. Mother.
But for now, we're at the trick point.
Yeah, hooray.
10 meters,
Look at that
baby.
view.
Wow! Come to Penny Farm for this stunning view, guys!
Look at the sunset.
Yeah, I don't think it's
Leaves a poo bag on the tent.
Who leaves a poo bag on Penny bloody sand? Roses and a poo bag. Guys, the day after St. David's Day. What's wrong with you? Well guys, the route down was relatively straightforward. We only got lost the once.
Yeah. We took a
shortcut.
It wasn't a shortcut, it was actually a long cut.
But it was alright.
Yeah,
Took us off the wind, which we didn't really want anyway. So, we can just see the road. So we're nearly back.
Yeah. And oh look, we didn't show you this on the way up, but as we were coming up I was like, oh, someone's left a whole bag of rubbish here. They actually hadn't left a whole bag of rubbish. What they've left is a quite nice puffer coat. Oh, someone's left a whole friggin' puffer coat here.
And to be honest, even if it's not nice, even if it's a bunch of trash and needs to go in the bin, we'll
It's
throw
trash.
it in the bin. Don't
Yeah.
leave it on the side of a bloody mountain, guys. Come on.
So, trash is coming with us. So we either got a nice new coat or we got a bin coat. But
So,
wow, you can actually see the valley now. This is quite cool. We couldn't see it before.
finally a view.
That was the damn hill we had to go up when I was telling you about.
But next time we come up, we're going to take a rubbish bag with us and we're going to collect some rubbish as we go.
Yeah, at least one bag because that's
One
easy
bag.
to carry.
Yeah.
One black bag will be fine. We can fill her up.
Because it's really not nice to see all that crap.
I can see my.
What do we see? We've got a beer can.
Oh yeah, someone has had a Stella on the way up.
Yeah. What's that, guys?
That's my swimming pool.
Oh yeah. Walking anymore. No, he's kidding. But yeah, we made it to the end. Oh, I did anyway.
I've still got a little bit of something to do.
I'm
Rose,
so happy.
Rose, come here.
Right
We are at the road and there is the truck, so we are back, baby. Ooh. Oh, the refreshment van is closed. I was thinking a nice hot chocolate would have been a winner.
Go, Yayan! So we were just walking down Penny Fan and a girl kind of walks out from us from the bus stop being like, do you know when the bus is coming? Quite a youngish girl, I think. And she'd been waiting there for 2 hours. We actually saw her when we were walking up. One of the people that we saw had come by themselves to do this kind of Penny Pan challenge. Yeah, actually, youngish girl. She said she's come from Cardiff to here, which is about 2 hours-ish, because she's gone by public transport, doesn't have a car, got the train, got a bus out, and did Penny Fan because it was on a bucket list on a horrible day, and has not been treated well with the buses. So we're going to take her back to Merthyr, where she's going to get the train to Cardiff. But she just thinks we're wacky.
Hold my clothes.
Yeah, I'll hold your clothes,
So they don't
baby.
get soaked.
But yeah, kudos to you, Kaylee. Well done. Awesome.
Double hat.
Double hat. Go Yayan!
Ah!
Woo!
Dum.
Good boy!
Speed. Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Woo!
Ah! Woo! Man, that's so cold. That's so cold. Why'd I get my head in? Ah!
This is why you don't make bets with your wife.
This is why you don't gamble at all.
Don't gamble, kids! Gambling is always bad!
Okay, let's go back up to the car. Thank you.
Good job.
Cold. Super cold.
You actually came through on the best though. I did not think that you were going to.
You didn't think I was going to? Oh no.
I'm wrong again.
Oh man.
Well guys, he's done it. We're on the road again. This is your sign. Be like Kaylee.
Yeah.
Find a wet, random Thursday afternoon and take something off your bucket list. Go and do it. Say
Don't
bye,
go
guys.
swimming in the damn lake.
Don't go swimming in the lake.
Bye everybody.
Bye everybody.
Although Kaylee might not have had the luckiest day, we were glad to meet her and give her one small act of kindness that made the world of difference to her when she was stranded in the Welsh countryside with no bus to be seen. We were so inspired by her adventurous spirit, coming out to tick something off her bucket list and get a story to tell in the process. What can you tick off your list this weekend? Big or small, you never know where or to who adventure will lead. So don't let this miserable March weather put you off. Go make some memories.
We poured coffee down
Yeah,
there.
he peed himself.
And Tito doesn't want to go anywhere.
You're going on an adventure, buddy?
If doing this once wasn't bad enough, I actually didn't get the clip the first time around. Let's get us to 1,000! Subscribe!